Hey guys, it's Key. Welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all had a really good weekend celebrating St. Patrick's Day. I had a hectic weekend and when I woke up this morning I was just thinking, oh my god, how is it Monday already? The weekends just go so fast, don't they? Like literally it's Friday evening and then all of a sudden it's Monday morning again. I don't understand how it goes so quick. So this morning I needed something that was quick, easy but fun to film today because I was not motivated this morning. So I decided to create this really easy cut crease look. It doesn't take a lot of skill. This is a really simple quick look. You can do it in a matter of minutes and it still looks really glam and put together. It's kind of like a cheat way to create a cut crease, just using like 1 or 2 products. So if you want to see how I created this cheat cut crease, then just keep watching. So as always, I'm starting by priming my lids and I'm using the Lasting Perfection Concealer by Collection. Now I'm using the Morphe 35N palette to create this look and I'm just grabbing this mustardy yellow shade first and I'm blending that into the crease with a fluffy brush by Jessup. Going back into that palette and now I'm grabbing this rusty orange shade. And on camera this can come off a little bit yellow, but in reality it is more of an orangey brown shade. And I'm also blending this into the crease with a fluffy brush. This does look a little strange. It does look a little bit like a yellow strip on my eye, but don't worry. All will be revealed as we get deeper into the tutorial. Soon the magic will happen. Now to create a bit more definition, I am grabbing this brown shade from the palette. And on a smaller, flatter, fluffy brush, I'm blending it into the crease. Just keep going between the brown and the yellow to make sure that everything is blended nicely together. The last shadow that I'm using for this look is this brown shade from the I Heart Chocolate palette by Makeup Revolution, and I'm taking that on a tiny pencil brush and I'm just really blending it, pressing it into the crease to create a lot more definition. Now this is where the magic happens. I'm taking this H&M Fluid Hues Eye Liquid and I am just smearing that all over the eye. Look at how quick that creates a fake cut crease. Sweep it on, blend it out a little bit with a flat brush if you like, and you are done. No messing around with concealers, no messing around with cutting the crease, getting wonky lines and all that. It's literally done. Like, just sweep it on, done. These come in a variety of shades as well, and they're so inexpensive. I just bought one to test it, but now I'm definitely gonna go and get more. So has changed the game for me. So pretty. Oh, I'm absolutely obsessed. Anything that saves me time and effort is a winner in my book. So now for the wing, I'm taking my trusty Illamasqua Precision Gel Liner in black. And I am using my painting brush, which I always love to use to create a wing. And I'm just sweeping that across the lid. And now that we've added a wing, it all just has come together and it looks like you've made a lot of effort, when really it took us like 2 minutes to do this look. If anyone would like me to do a tutorial on how I create my winged liner, then just leave a little comment in the comment box below and I'll get that up for you. Okay, next I grabbed this glitter liner from the Makeup Gallery. Guys, it's £1 from Poundland. This is £1. Don't walk, run to your nearest Poundland and get this. This stuff is stunning for £1. And I'm just kind of outlining the top of the cut, the fake cut, just to make it a little bit more glam. I mean, obviously this is an optional step. Not everyone is as extra as me on a Monday morning. But if you do want to add this in, I think that it just takes your cut crease to another level. And like I said, it's £1. Like, go and get yourself some of this stuff. I'm just lining my waterline with the Kiko Everlasting Kajal in black. Oh boy, those are the red eyes of someone who has overindulged this weekend. And I'm just grabbing that brown shade from the Revolution palette and putting it on my waterline. Not my waterline, my bottom lid. Next, from the I Heart Chocolate palette again, I am taking this highlighting shade. It's a very cool silvery highlighting shade, and I'm just popping this into the inner corner and underneath my brow, on the brow bone. I need to waken my eye up. Mama needs some help this Monday morning. I am sleepyhead, sleepy. Next, just pop on any mascara that you like, your favourite. Next, I'm taking 2 lip products by Revlon, which I will leave in the description box below for you. Oh, and I also added some lashes off camera. So that's it guys, that's my cheat to cut crease. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up because it means the world to me. Also, if you liked my video, then subscribe to my channel because I put out videos every single week. You can also check out my work on Instagram. I will leave a link to all the products that I use down below. Have an amazing day and I'll see you on Thursday.